Yo, what's up, everyone? It's John here. Did you know that Coca-Cola isn't just for drinking? Stick around to discover some mind-blowing uses of this popular soda. We're about to dive into 10 amazing Coca-Cola hacks that you never knew existed. Get ready to have your mind blown, because these tricks are seriously incredible. We're talking about cleaning rust, cooking up a storm, and even getting rid of those pesky garden pests, all with the power of Coke. You won't want to miss this, so buckle up and let's get this party started. Alright, first up, we're tackling rust. Rust can be a real nuisance, especially when it starts to take over your favorite tools or household items. But don't worry, we've got a surprising solution for you. That's right, Coca-Cola can actually help you get rid of those stubborn rust spots. You might be wondering how a popular soft drink can double as a cleaning agent. Well, it's all about the chemistry. Ever wonder why Coke fizzes so much? It's because of its acidity. The fizz you see is carbon dioxide being released, but the real magic lies in the acidic content of the drink. And guess what? That same acidity that makes it so refreshing can actually break down rust. The phosphoric acid in Coca-Cola reacts with the iron oxide in rust, effectively dissolving it. It's like magic, but with science. This simple chemical reaction can save you a lot of time and effort. Just grab some rusty tools, bolts, or whatever you've got lying around. It could be anything from garden tools to old screws and nails. Now, submerge that rusty metal in a container of Coca-Cola. Make sure the rusted parts are fully covered by the liquid. Let it soak for a few hours or even overnight for really tough cases. The longer you let it sit, the more effective the Coca-Cola will be at breaking down the rust. After it's had a nice long soak, take it out and give it a good scrub. Use a brush or a piece of steel wool to help remove the loosened rust. The rust should come right off. It's seriously that easy. You'll be amazed at how much cleaner and shinier your tools will look. Who knew Coca-Cola could be such a powerful cleaning agent? It's not just for drinking anymore. So next time you're dealing with rust, skip the harsh chemicals and reach for a bottle of Coke instead. It's a simple, effective and eco-friendly solution that you probably already have in your fridge. Plus, it's a great conversation starter. Imagine telling your friends that you cleaned your tools with a soda. They'll be just as surprised as you were, so go ahead, give it a try and say bye-bye to rust with Coca-Cola. Next up, we're heading to the kitchen where the magic happens. You might think Coca-Cola is just for cleaning, and yes, it does a fantastic job at that, but did you know it can also add a burst of flavor to your dishes? That's right. We're talking about using Coca-Cola as a marinade, people. Imagine the possibilities. It sounds crazy, but trust me on this one. The results are nothing short of spectacular. The sugars in Coke help to caramelize the meat while it's cooking, giving it a beautiful glaze and an irresistible sweetness. This is not just any glaze, it's a rich, deep caramelization that enhances the natural flavors of the meat. Plus, the acidity helps to tenderize the meat, making it extra juicy and flavorful. The combination of sweet and tangy elements creates a symphony of flavors that dance on your taste buds. For a simple Coca-Cola marinade, just mix together some Coke with soy sauce, garlic and ginger. This blend of ingredients creates a marinade that is both savory and sweet, with a hint of spice from the ginger. You can add a little heat with some chili flakes if you're feeling adventurous. The chili flakes add a kick that balances the sweetness of the Coke, creating a complex and exciting flavor profile. Marinate your chicken, beef or pork in this mixture for at least a few hours or even overnight for maximum flavor. The longer you marinate, the more the flavors penetrate the meat, making every bite a burst of deliciousness. Then just grill, bake or pan fry your meat until it's cooked to perfection. Each cooking method brings out different aspects of the marinade, whether it's the smoky char from grilling, the even cooking from baking, or the crispy edges from pan frying. Get ready for a taste sensation that will have you saying, this is the real thing. The combination of Coca-Cola and your favorite meats will create a dish that is both familiar and new, a true culinary adventure. And don't forget, while your meat is marinating, you can always enjoy a refreshing glass of Coca-Cola. It's the perfect way to relax and get into the cooking spirit. While the meat is marinating, why not prepare some delicious side dishes to complement your Coca-Cola infused creation? Fresh salads, roasted vegetables, or even some homemade fries can make your meal complete. Set the table with care, because this meal deserves a special presentation. The effort you put into the details will make the dining experience even more enjoyable. Invite your family and friends over to share in this unique culinary experience. There's nothing like the joy of sharing a meal with loved ones, especially when it's something as special as this. Watch their faces light up as they take their first bite. The surprise and delight on their faces will be priceless, and you'll know that your Coca-Cola marinade was a huge success. So next time you're looking to add a little something extra to your cooking, remember the magic of Coca-Cola. It's not just a drink, it's a secret ingredient that can transform your dishes into something extraordinary. Taste the feeling and let Coca-Cola bring a burst of flavor to your kitchen. Happy cooking. Chapter 3. Say goodbye to pests, Coca-Cola, the ultimate garden guardian. Now, let's head outside to the garden because Coca-Cola can actually help you get rid of those pesky slugs and snails that are munching on your plants. It's like a secret weapon against these slimy little creatures. Just pour some Coca-Cola into a shallow dish and place it near your plants. The sugar in the Coke will attract the slugs and snails. And when they crawl in for a sip, well, let's just say they won't be bothering your garden anymore. It's a natural and effective way to keep your plants safe from these unwanted visitors. Your garden will thank you for it. Chapter 4. Sparkling Clean Throne Room. Banish toilet troubles with Coca-Cola. All right, back to cleaning. Today, we're diving into one of the most dreaded household chores, cleaning the toilet. It's a task that many of us put off for as long as possible, but it doesn't have to be such a nightmare. This time, we're tackling the dreaded toilet bowl. It's often the most neglected part of the bathroom, and for good reason. The thought of scrubbing away at those stubborn stains can be quite off-putting. Let's face it, nobody likes cleaning toilets, but it's a necessary evil. The good news is there's a simple and effective solution that can make this chore a lot less daunting, but Coca-Cola can make the job a whole lot easier. Yes, you heard that right. The same fizzy drink that you enjoy can also be a powerful cleaning agent. Remember that acidity we talked about earlier? Coca-Cola contains phosphoric acid, which is great for breaking down tough stains and mineral deposits. It's about to come in handy again. So grab a can of Coke and let's get started. Pour a can of Coca-Cola into your toilet bowl. Make sure to cover all the stained areas. The acidity in the Coke will start working on those stains right away. And let it sit for at least an hour. This gives the acid enough time to break down the grime and mineral deposits that have built up over time. The citric acid in the Coke will help to break down any stains and mineral deposits, making it easier to scrub away later. You'll be surprised at how effective this simple trick can be, leaving your toilet bowl sparkling clean. After the Coke has done its magic, you'll notice a significant difference in the appearance of your toilet bowl. After an hour, give it a good scrub with a toilet brush and flush. The stains should come off much more easily now, thanks to the acidic properties of the Coca-Cola. You'll be amazed at how clean your toilet looks. It's almost like having a brand new toilet without all the hard work. It's like magic, but with Coca-Cola. So next time you're dreading cleaning the toilet, remember this simple trick. Not only will it save you time and effort, but it will also leave your toilet sparkling clean. Happy cleaning. Chapter 5. Sticky situation solved. Coca-Cola to the rescue for gum and emergencies. Have you ever gotten chewing gum stuck in your hair? It's the worst, right? Well, don't panic because Coca-Cola can save the day. That's right, this magical beverage can even tackle sticky situations like this. Just pour some Coca-Cola over the gum and let it soak for a few minutes. The acids in the Coke will help to break down the gum, making it easier to remove. After soaking, use a comb or your fingers to gently work the gum out of your hair. It might take a little patience, but the gum will come out eventually, and just like that, crisis averted. Coca-Cola, the ultimate problem solver. And there you have it, folks. 10 amazing uses of Coca-Cola that you never knew. From cleaning rust to cooking delicious meals to rescuing your hair from sticky situations, this beverage is a true jack of all trades. Who knew that something you could find in every vending machine could be so versatile? If you found these tips useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. We're always on the lookout for new and exciting life hacks to share with you. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the endless possibilities of the world around you.